Welcome to our channel. This is Benjamin. In this video, the magical journey of lemons, we embark on a captivating exploration of the hidden powers of lemon peel and its transformative essence, the lemon oil. This video aims to uncover the untapped potential of discarded lemon peels and reveal the alchemy behind extracting the valuable lemon oil. Lemons, scientifically known as citrus limon, have a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, lemons have spread across different cultures, carrying with them their tangy and refreshing flavor. While most people may see lemon peel as merely the outer layer of a lemon, it is, in fact, a treasure trove of resources. Lemon peel contains abundant lemon oil, a potent essential oil known for its aromatic and therapeutic properties. We will delve into the components of lemon peel and discuss the process of extracting lemon oil from discarded peels, opening up endless possibilities for innovation and exploration. Alright, after a week fermentation, microorganisms break down the fructose pectin, making the peel softer and easier to extract oil. It seems good enough to go for next process. The very key factor for fermentation is temperature. It should be up to 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Lemon extract, obtained from discarded lemon peels, has a variety of uses. Its rich flavor makes it a versatile ingredient in cooking and baking, enhancing both sweet and savory dishes. Due to its antibacterial properties, lemon extract can also be used as a natural cleaner, making it an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Additionally, lemon extract can be used as solvents, cleaning agents, glue removers, flavoring agents, biofuels and pesticides, etc. We will do some demonstrations in this video. The lemon oil has been extracted and flowed on top, but still not very clear. It should take little more time to clean. Lemon's magical journey, number 1. The insecticidal power of lemon essential oil. We picked 2 mealworm dark beetles as test specimen today. In the process, we will have a look what is its reaction and killing time. First beetle grow unnormal since feed by styrofoam. It is not covered by exoskeleton completely. Second beetle is normal one. Anyway, we take him out and start. Limonene has a profound impact on insects and other pests. It disrupts the nervous system of insects, impairing their mobility and appetite. Additionally, limonene can break down the exoskeleton of insects, rendering them defenseless and ultimately leading to their demise. This insecticidal effect proves highly effective against common pests such as mosquitoes, cockroaches, and ants. Wow, it only takes about 8 to 10 seconds for the insect's mobility to be reduced to almost zero. Second beetle on board. Let's see the outcome is different or same. The insecticidal prowess of lemon essential oil finds extensive application in agriculture and horticulture. Many farmers and gardening enthusiasts utilize lemon essential oil for pest control, eliminating the need for chemical pesticides, which is beneficial for both environmental preservation and human health. Furthermore, the natural properties of lemon essential oil prevent pests from developing resistance to chemical agents, thus enhancing the long-term efficacy of pest management. Wow, like a scene from the movie Alien. Alien corpses and blood can dissolve any substance and even cause harm to humans. Let's figure out why later. After the insect time, I am now going to bring you some sweet moment. It is a super lemon candy time. It is quite easy to make at home and let you kids or parents to try, guaranteed that they have no word to say. Let's get started. Start to put some drops of food coloring and mix everything until they completely dissolved without particles. For ensure the steps are in right track, I find some food lab data and see the know-how to make a perfect candy. It is the time to heat it up. I think we're gonna make some candy in between firm ball and hard ball like Shugas candy when I was in my childhood. So we need to control the temperature in between 125 and 138 Celsius degree. I am now super close to being done, and there is just one last but extremely important ingredient to add. This is, of course, some limonone, which is absolutely essential to make super lemon candy. It almost reached to our target temperature. Let's add some limonone. Oh my god, it turns to sandy candy. I pour limonone when the sugar's still in very high temperature near the boiling point of limonone. Okay, I need to put back some water and redo. I am sure this time should be perfect. Yes, it is formed. Add some more limonone, and I pulled the sugar off the cooktop and I quickly poured it onto some silicone. I then started moving it around. While it was cooling down, and eventually it was turned into something that was kind of like bread dough, I was happy to see that my recovery attempt had actually worked. There was unfortunately almost no time to celebrate this though, because I still had to turn all of this sugar go into some nice little cube before it cooled down. I am keeping to elongate the sugar dough. Let more air go inside for having good color and soften its texture. Limonone has certain preservative effects. Phenolic compounds in lemon oil have natural preservative functions that can extend the shelf life of candies. It assists in adjusting the viscosity of sugar syrup. Adding an appropriate amount of lemon oil can improve the stickiness of sugar syrup and make candy forming easier. Limonone can elevate the sensory evaluation of candies. Phenolic compounds strengthen the sweetness perception of candies and make the mouth feel richer. I then spend a couple minutes cutting the parts that are still stick together, and at this point I am extremely close to being done in theory. There is just one last step, which is to dress up with foil paper, and our channel label, that classic look that I originally want, I have. Limonone has certain health benefits for the human body. Phenolic compounds have antioxidant effects that are beneficial. In summary, lemon oil can well regulate the texture and flavor of candies while also providing some preservation effects. It is widely used in commercial candy production lines. Huge. Oh, that one is chewy for some reason, and it is very fresh taste, like a real lemon in your mouth. For the improving area is that need much more sour taste. Have to be refine my formulation with more citric acid. After a candy moment, we need to clean up the table and fix the mess. I think that is a good time to show how limonone to work as cleaning agent, especially for those old sticky glue. Let's see. This is the last demonstration we are doing here. It is simple and low-end, but highly meaningful for environmental protection. Hopefully we can explain that and demonstrate how it works on our next video. Thank you for watching and continuous support. Let us know if need more detail of limonene. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you again.